Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars with a PlayStation 4 controller on an iPad. First, gather your essential equipment. You will need your iPad, running a recent operating system, and your PlayStation 4 DualShock 4 controller, which should be fully charged. Also, make certain Brawl Stars is already downloaded on your device. Finally, ensure your iPad's Bluetooth is turned on, ready to discover new accessories for a quick setup. Now, let's pair your controller with the iPad. Take your PlayStation 4 controller and simultaneously press and hold both the small share button and the central PlayStation button. Keep holding them until the light bar begins flashing quickly, indicating pairing mode. Open your iPad Settings app, then navigate to the Bluetooth section. Select DualShock 4 wireless controller from the available devices. Tap it to connect. The light bar will turn solid blue once successfully paired. With your controller now paired, open the Brawl Stars application on your iPad. The game should automatically recognize your connected PlayStation 4 controller, allowing you to navigate menus and start playing immediately. If you wish to make any adjustments, you can access the game settings from the main menu. Here, you can review the control layout and even customize button assignments to better suit your personal playstyle, ensuring a comfortable and effective gaming experience during battles. To optimize your Brawl Stars experience, keep both your PlayStation 4 controller and your iPad fully charged, preventing unexpected disconnections. If you experience lag, close other background applications on your iPad to free up system resources. Should your controller disconnect, simply unpair it from your iPad's Bluetooth settings and then repair it using the previous steps. Always keep your controller within a few feet of your iPad for a strong, stable Bluetooth connection, ensuring smooth gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.